metabolic fatty liver diseases. Okay, so here we are going to use advanced model ML models, okay, and Explainable AI for sharp integration as well as the comparative analysis. Okay, so here we are not going to use any kind of database. Because of that, here we are going to use a heavy amount of data set as well as the SHAP AI we are going to use. So that's why we created a static login credentials. So here the username is admin and password is admin. So once you log in successfully, it will redirect to a user dashboard. So where it's going to print all the things. Okay. So we already did one prediction for testing purpose, and the main aim of the project is after prediction on which basis it predicted by using SHAP. Okay. So now we are going to first of all upload the data set. So click on choose file. So here we are going to upload the data set first. Okay, so click on upload dataset. So here the dataset is uploaded successfully. This is the downloaded one. Sorry. So upload dataset. So this is the dataset. So I'm going to click on upload dataset. So it's going to show totally 4000 records we have, and in this we have 21 features and the status is ready. So we can check here train and test models. It will take a few time because we are going to make a training of that. So it's trained successfully. So we'll go to the predictions page now. So here we can give a patient name, age, as well as BMI factor we can give, and alcohol per week, exercise per hours or week, diet quality, and BP. So after that, liver enzymes, is there any liver enzymes we have? So we are going to give in those values also. So no need to worry. So I'm going to give a random values in case if we miss the range of the values also, so it won't predict directly. Okay, so I'm going to give diabetes is there, hypertension is there, so generate prediction. So if you have any kind of issue, so it will automatically not going to predict. See, okay, because the values what we are giving, it's not taking, because so we have a certain value length, so that's why it's not taking. Okay, okay, see, so greater than or equal to 100, so you can mention. When I'm going to click, so here also greater than or equal to 30, so I can give 60. It's also you have to make it. So it's going to show us a so low risk. How it's going to be low risk means, so because the BMI value is low, as well as that the diabetes, hypertension, and no metabolic syndrome they have. Okay, so all after that, so the key factors for low risk means the prediction was primarily influenced by BMI and triglycerides. Okay, so you can make check with that, continue your current healthy lifestyle, regular monitoring and maintain with recommendations as well as that medical follow-up. Okay, so we are going to check with that all these things. So here the model, so which determine the low risk classification based on the key factors what we have given. So cholesterol, so it's neutral, BP is neutral, so and HDL cholesterol is decreased risk. Okay, and then finally we can check with the performance. So here it's going to give us a chart accuracy, precision and recall. So the algorithm what we use, okay, and it's going to give a, so how many medium risk, how many high risk, how many low risk, each and everything is going to show to us. And then finally we can make export of the predictions by clicking this. So it's going to download the predictions, and we can check the predictions here also, means the overall how many are there. Okay, so this is the overall project.